Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian gastronomy to uncover the mysteries behind one of its most delightful treasures, burrata. While many of us are familiar with mozzarella, burrata is a hidden gem that deserves its own spotlight. Stay tuned as we unveil the unknown facts and fascinating history of this creamy delicacy. Origins of burrata. To begin our journey, let's explore the origins of burrata. This rich and indulgent cheese hails from the Apulia region of Italy, specifically from the town of Andria. Legend has it that burrata was first crafted as a way to utilize the excess mozzarella curds. The result? A masterpiece that captures the essence of fresh cream and mozzarella, sealed within a delicate outer shell. The art of burrata making. The magic of burrata lies in its intricate craftsmanship. Skilled artisans, often referred to as cassori, carefully stretch and shape the mozzarella into a pouch. This pouch is then filled with a mixture of fresh cream and shredded mozzarella called stracciatella. The outer layer is then sealed, creating a unique combination of textures and flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. Burrata's versatility. While burrata is undoubtedly delicious on its own, its versatility in the kitchen is truly remarkable. It serves as an excellent companion to a variety of dishes, from simple salads to decadent pastas. The creaminess of burrata adds a luxurious touch, elevating any meal to a culinary masterpiece. Seasonal sensation. Did you know that burrata is a seasonal delight? Traditionally, it's made from spring through autumn when the milk is at its richest. This seasonal aspect not only enhances the flavor but also makes burrata a special treat to be savored during specific times of the year. Symbol of purity. Beyond its exquisite taste, burrata carries a symbolic significance in Italian culture. Its name, burrata, translates to buttery in English, emphasizing the smooth, velvety texture that has become synonymous with purity and indulgence. It's no wonder burrata has earned its place as a symbol of fine Italian craftsmanship. Burrata's global rise. While burrata has deep roots in Italian tradition, its popularity has transcended borders. In recent years, this creamy delicacy has gained international acclaim, finding its way onto menus around the world. Its unique combination of flavors and textures has captured the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts globally. Burrata festivals. Imagine a festival dedicated solely to celebrating the wonders of burrata. In Italy, especially in the Apulia region, burrata festivals are a real thing. These events bring together local artisans, chefs, and food lovers to revel in the joy of this luscious cheese. Attendees can savor an array of burrata-inspired dishes and witness live demonstrations of its traditional craftsmanship. Burrata's perfect pairings. Burrata isn't just an exquisite cheese. It's also a fantastic team player when it comes to pairings. Its mild, milky flavor complements a variety of accompaniments, such as fresh tomatoes, prosciutto, balsamic glaze, and even sweet fruits like figs. The possibilities are endless, making burrata a culinary chameleon that adapts to a myriad of flavor profiles. Burrata experience. Ever wanted to try your hand at making burrata? Some adventurous food enthusiasts take it a step further by participating in DIY burrata workshops. These hands-on experiences allow participants to learn the art of burrata making, from stretching the mozzarella to creating that signature creamy filling. It's a unique way to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into each delectable bite. Protected designation of origin. Burrata isn't just any cheese, it's earned the prestigious Protected Designation of Origin, PDO, status. This means that authentic burrata must be produced in a specific geographic area, maintaining the traditional methods and using locally sourced ingredients. It's a stamp of authenticity that ensures you're getting the real deal. The burgeoning artisanal movement. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of artisanal cheese-making practices, and burrata has been at the forefront of this movement. Many small, family-owned dairies are embracing traditional techniques, resulting in handcrafted burrata that showcases the dedication and passion of these artisans. Burrata beyond the plate. Burrata has transcended its role as a mere culinary delight and has made its mark in pop culture. From food photography on social media to being featured in popular cooking shows, Burrata has become a star in its own right. Its photogenic qualities and luxurious texture make it a favorite subject for food enthusiasts and influencers alike. As we wrap up our exploration of the unknown facts of Italian burrata, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this culinary gem. Whether you're a cheese connoisseur or just starting your gastronomic journey, burrata is a must-try delicacy that will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and let us know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy burrata. Until next time, happy eating!